ini kita akan membahas tentang sensory neural hearing loss atau tuli sensory neural. Apa itu?
Jeng, ntar hari Minggu kita sepedaan yuk. Ayo, sepedaan ya? Mau nggak, Tak? Mau nggak, Tak? Sepedaan. Sepedaan hari Minggu.
Jadi tadi kita kan sudah periksa, ada beberapa rangkaian yang sudah kita lakukan. Dari kesimpulannya, sepertinya Bapak mengalami noise-induced hearing loss, yaitu berkurangnya pendengaran akibat paparan bising yang terlalu lama dan juga terlalu keras.
Every day, we experience sound in our environment, such as the sound from television and radio, household appliances, and traffic. Normally, these sounds are at safe levels that don't damage our hearing. But sounds can be harmful when they are too loud, even for a brief time, or when they are both loud and long-lasting. These sounds can damage sensitive structure in the ear and cause noise-induced hearing loss. Some of the most common noise-induced hearing loss symptoms include inability to hear high-pitched sounds like birds singing, muffled or distorted speech, tinnitus, ringing or buzzing in the ear, and a feeling of fullness or pressure in the ear. Here are a few simple steps to prevent hearing loss and protect your hearing health now, before it's too late. Keep the volume low. Protect your ears when loud noises are unavoidable. Recovery time is important. If possible, step outside or away from the noise periodically for 5-minute stretches to give your ears time to rest. Exercise can improve hearing health. Don't stress out and have your ears checked regularly to ENT doctors.